What are ways that we can put musicking in people's hands? Through sound sculpture, you can walk inside the experience of composing music. When the cubes change color, they're indicating a change in sound to reveal time flowing across the space. It really opens doors to creativity and sound composition through spatial play by bringing melody, rhythm, and harmony into 3 dimensions. To approach this as an instrument, we look at the cubes in space as possibilities of frequencies in rhythmical time. We can see the y-axis as pitch and the x-axis as rhythm, or time. Changes in the placement of the cubes result in both changes in pitch and rhythm. If the cubes are neighboring and ascending and/or descending, a musical scale is formed. Grouping cubes and leaving space produces rhythmical variations. Aligning the cubes vertically on the y-axis creates coincidentally triggered notes at different pitch levels. In other words, harmonies or chords.
Hi, Ryan. Hi, Ryan. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Pedro. Great to be here.
This is fantastic. Tell me about you, Ryan. Give me a background. How did you get to come to do sound sculptures? Number one, what is sound sculptures?
Cool. Well, this sound sculpture is an interactive artwork that is legitimate musical instrument. So I think of it as public art, as an interactive public artwork, and that's how people generally confront it. They're like, oh, this is interesting. What is going on here? But for musicians and for people who take some time to understand what's happening there, each of these cubes is tracked in space. So we have a small GPS.
So you have cubes. To begin with, you have cubes.
Yeah.
How big
25, 17 inches each side. Yeah. So you like sit on it. You know, it's structural. It has, you can stack them. You can make shapes. They're kind of building blocks at the scale of a human. You play with them, just like we do with musical notes. We play with them in space. So people confront them in a big...
I take a cube and I throw it up, or I put it in some place.
You pick it up, you make a shape, you follow your inspiration. You say, I want to make a tower. You stack them, or you make a shape in the ground like this. The system that is observing their location is reporting that to me, computer, mapping them as MIDI notes.
But I want to know, what is the motivation that propelled you to come up with this?
The motivation really is to help people connect with their own creativity, to find the space to explore composition. And I say composition like capital C, connecting people more to the creativity they already know and finding more creativity even then in themselves. Right on, Pedro. I appreciate it. Great to meet you. Thank you very much.
God bless you. God bless you, my dear. Excellent. Excellent. All the best, my dear. Thanks.
Right on. Cool. Thank you.